Hey everybody, we're here out at Camp or Lake Livingston, Texas. We're going to do our first recipe for you guys. I'm going to make some chicken pasta vegetable soup. So we got the chicken fillets going. Season those up with just a little bit of the McCormick Montreal seasoning. You can add as much or as little as you like, or none at all, and do salt and pepper. Come around here and we'll show you a couple of things we're going to use. With the camera, follow me. Use a little Heinz chicken gravy, some HEB chicken broth. If you're from Texas, you know about HEB. Got some organic pasta, and then we did some meal prep before we came out today. Got some sliced carrots, or shredded, I guess, some corn, and some chopped onions. Got our little stock pot. Just going to be me and Michelle tonight, so we don't need a whole bunch. We'll get this other fire going for the broth, and see you in a minute. Okay, we got the burner lit without blowing ourselves up. Get the stock going. Go ahead and add that second one just to make it nice and soupy. And if you check the description of the video down below, we will put all the ingredients in case you missed any of them while I was running through them. We're going to get our carrots going just to make sure they get cooked. I don't like mine too crunchy. And look at that corn. Alright, give that a stir. As soon as it comes to a boil, we'll get the pasta going. You have the chopped onions. I'm going to grill mine a little bit. You can pour yours straight in the broth. So I'm going to just put them in here with my chicken. Let them get a little caramelized. And maybe add just a little bit more Montreal. Never have too much. Okay, as you can see, we're getting some nice caramelization. Chicken's in there. Feeding a little bit to the squirrels. Flip those over one more time. Okay. Give those about 10 more minutes because we want to make sure we get that chicken cooked thoroughly. And as you can see, our broth is just starting to think about simmering. So we'll get that pasta going in just a minute. Check back with us for the final result.
Turn it off.
Okay, you can see we got our chicken diced up a little bit. You can cut that finer and more pretty like a chef if you want. If you don't have good knife skills or you're just too lazy, you can call this rustic. So I'll put put this on the playlist. Look for Rustic Campside Chicken Vegetable Soup. You can see the onions in there. Got the broth going. We're going to add this right into there. Probably just spoon it in. And then in about 10 minutes we'll have soup. Okay, we're back. It's been just a few minutes. We've got the HEB Organics pasta. Again, this is to your taste. You can add a little, you can add a lot. You can make it just soup and have vegetables and chicken. I like a lot of pasta. I think Michelle's usually pretty fond of pasta, so we're going to add about half this bag. And it's a 1 pound bag, so about half a pound of pasta for us. So you want to keep that stirring. And once that gets cooked up, give it about 8-9 minutes. We'll add a little bit of gravy to thicken it. You can use cornstarch. I just like gravy a little better, a little more flavor. It doesn't tend to bland it out. And I should have done this earlier, but I forgot. So we're going to add a little Montreal to the broth. And let that season up a little bit too. Okay, we're back. As you can see, the soup is on, as they say. Look at that pasta, plumped up nice. We did get this just a little bit over full, so we're going to forgo the chicken soup tonight. It's just going to be the chicken broth and the vegetables. All right. That's good. Check in the description. My name is Glenn. Michelle's on the camera. Appreciate you tuning in.